So right here, Toledo's kind of been buzzing around the zone for a little bit. The puck bounces right here and sits there. So now the puck's just sitting there. I could have stepped out of my crease a little bit more, but at this point, I'm just I'm in decent position, and I'm kind of just waiting and waiting to see what's going to happen. There's a scramble in front of the net, waiting. See how that guy has that backdoor option right there if you pause it. So right now, if he has that backdoor option, I'm actually in a really good position because I'm not, over challenging in my crease, so I'm able to slide over and, it'll be obviously a one timer from that spot's a great A, but for being that deep in my net, I'm in good position to make that save. Thankfully, he doesn't hit the one timer spot. Go ahead and fast forward, and right there, boom, it's just an easy glove save right there. He steps around the thing, steps around the half circle. I make a little bit of an adjustment because I was thinking about challenging more. But he got that release off pretty quick, and I was in decent position to make that save. But like I talked about in the interview, just being patient and relying on your instincts and stuff like that helps me a lot throughout my game for sure.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play